Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a chart in Figma, only way. Start by choosing your chart type and importing or copying your data into a clean CSV or table. Use frames and rectangles for bars, lines for trends, and circles for pie slices. Align a grid and use consistent spacing, color contrast, and labels. I will walk you through plugin options and manual techniques so your chart looks polished and accurate in your designs. Begin by building the chart layout in a dedicated frame with clear margins and padding. Draw axis lines and add tick marks to establish scale, then place rectangles or lines that match your data values exactly. Use auto layout for consistent spacing and align labels to ticks for readability. Apply color and stroke styles through shared styles so updates are fast. I will also show how to tweak accessibility contrast and export clean assets for plugins can automate chart creation, so pick one that supports CSV import and clear styling options. Connect your data, select a preset like bar or line, and let the plugin generate shapes inside your frame. Customize colors, labels, and legend after generation to match your design system. I will demonstrate plugin use and show how to convert plugin output into reusable components for consistent charts across your projects and teams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.